Victor dreamed about a suit of armor around the world.
Now we will protect the world. The family.
Let's make the world safe for our children. Before we went up the first time, we wanted to change the world.
The best pilot in the world right here.
Yeah. Best looking human. Is coming to Earth. I'll do everything in my power to reverse what happened to us.
We became heroes.
Dan always told me.
Step 1. Identify and leverage your skills. Embarking on the journey to become a millionaire by 2025 is both exciting and challenging. To illustrate how our services can guide you toward this goal, here are 4 inspiring personal stories. 1.
Okay.
The same energy that gave us our powers. He just wanted a family.
We are a family.
How's that sauce coming?
Is coming to Earth. Victor dreamed about a suit of armor around the world.
Now we will protect the world. The family.
How you can do this too. Identify opportunities. Look for additional income sources or side jobs that align with your skills. Strategic saving. Set clear savings goals and stick to a disciplined plan. Invest wisely. Research and invest in assets that can generate passive income, such as real estate. The problem: many people underestimate their skills or are unsure how to monetize them. Solutions. Skill assessment. Take inventory of your talents and interests. Are you good at writing, graphic design, or teaching? Recognizing your strengths is the first step. Market research. Explore platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to see what services are in demand. This can provide insight into how to position your skills. Skill enhancement. Invest time in improving your abilities. Online courses and tutorials can help you refine your skills to meet market needs. Examples: freelance writing. Alex loved storytelling. By offering writing services online, Alex turned this passion into a profitable side hustle. Graphic design. Jamie had a knack for design. After taking some online courses, Jamie started creating logos for small businesses, generating extra income. Tutoring. Taylor excelled in math. By offering tutoring sessions, Taylor not only helped others, but also added to their earnings. Step 2. Develop passive income streams. 2.
Is coming to Earth. Before we went up the first time, we wanted to change the world.
The best pilot in the world right here.
Yeah. Best looking human.
Okay.
The same energy that gave us our powers happened to us.
We became heroes.
How you can do this too. Leverage your interests. Turn hobbies or passions into profitable ventures. Continuous learning. Educate yourself on market trends and investment opportunities. Diversify income streams. Don't rely on a single source of income. Explore various avenues to build wealth. The problem: relying solely on active income can limit earning potential. Solutions. Investing. Allocate a portion of your income to investments like stocks or real estate, which can grow over time without constant effort. Digital products. Create ebooks, online courses, or printables that can be sold repeatedly with minimal additional work. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services you believe in and earn a commission on sales through your referral. Examples: investing. Jordan invested in dividend-paying stocks, creating a steady stream of passive income. Digital products. Casey designed a fitness ebook. Once published online, it generated sales around the clock. Affiliate marketing. Morgan started a blog reviewing tech gadgets, earning commissions through affiliate links. Step 3. Start a side business. 3.
He just wanted a family.
We are a family.
How's that sauce coming? Okay.
The same energy that gave us our powers. I'll do everything in my power to reverse what happened to us.
How you can do this too. Assess your skills, identify marketable skills you possess, and how they can meet current market demands. Start small. Begin with freelance opportunities to build a client base and reputation. Scale strategically. As your business grows, consider expanding your services and team to increase revenue. The problem: starting a business can seem daunting and risky. Solutions: start small. Begin with a low-cost business model to minimize financial risk. Utilize online platforms. Use platforms like Etsy or eBay to sell products without the need for a physical storefront. Offer services. Consider service-based businesses, such as consulting or pet sitting, which often require minimal startup costs. Examples: handmade crafts. Selling handmade items on Etsy turned this hobby into income. Online reselling. Sam found bargains at thrift stores and resold them online for a profit. Pet services. Jordan offered dog walking services in the neighborhood, providing a needed service and earning extra cash. Overcoming common challenges for
Is coming to Earth. Before we went up the first time, we wanted to change the world.
The best planet in the world right here.
Yeah. Best looking here.
Let's make the world safe for our children.
The family.
how you can do this too. Live below your means. Maintain a lifestyle that allows you to save a significant portion of your income. Invest consistently. Regularly contribute to investment accounts to take advantage of compound growth. Plan for the long term. Set long-term financial goals and remain patient and disciplined in your approach. Time management. Solutions. Prioritize tasks. Focus on high-impact activities that align with your financial goals. Set a schedule. Allocate specific times for your side ventures to ensure consistent progress. Delegate. As your income streams grow, consider outsourcing tasks to free up your time. Examples: prioritize tasks. Taylor focused on the most profitable freelance projects, maximizing earnings with limited time. Set a schedule. Alex dedicated evenings to developing an online course, balancing it with a day job. Delegate. Jamie hired a virtual assistant to handle administrative tasks, allowing more focus on income-generating activities. Fear of failure? Solutions. Educate yourself. Knowledge reduces uncertainty. Learn from reputable sources and mentors. Start small. Begin with low-risk projects to build confidence and experience. Embrace failure. View setbacks as learning opportunities. Each failure brings you closer to success. Examples: educate yourself. Jordan took online courses in investing before entering the stock market. Start small. Casey began by selling digital products on a small scale, expanding as confidence grew. Embrace failure. Morgan's first blog didn't gain traction, but learning from that experience led to a successful second attempt. Consider the journey of Grant Sabatier, who, after facing unemployment, taught himself digital marketing and started a consulting business. By saving over 80% of his income and investing wisely, he achieved financial independence, amassing over $1 million by the age of 30. Remember, building wealth is like planting a tree. The best time to start was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. So, grab your financial shovel and start digging. These stories demonstrate that achieving millionaire status by 2025 is attainable with determination, strategic planning, and the right support. Diversifying your income is a powerful step toward achieving millionaire status by leveraging your skills, developing passive income, and starting side businesses. You can create multiple revenue streams. Our services are designed to provide personalized guidance, practical strategies, and a supportive community to help you replicate such success. Take immediate action to sign up for our self-paced masterclasses group and one-on-one coaching services. And join our online community to start your journey toward financial freedom today.